Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will make video around 19 minutes without skip. Start from Sanur until to Denpasar Airport. Let's check it out. Hello guys, how are you today? I hope you are fine. Today I will make video start from Sanur until to Denpasar Airport. On this video I will make around 90-minute video without skip. So I just want to show you how look like the real condition from Sanur until to Denpasar Airport. Now we are still in Sanur. Okay guys, at the front we are turn left and now we are in Bypass Ngurah Rai Street. This is like highway in Bali. I really like the weather today. It's very clear, very beautiful. Also the wind is very nice now. And on this video I riding motorbike with the speed around 40 km per hour. I make this video on 11 AM, so this is the condition on 11 AM in Bypass Ngurah Rai Street. You see on the video, still looks so quiet, not so many cars. If you see the weather today, it's very beautiful, isn't it? I mean, it's very clear. Just blue sky up there. Okay guys, if you just find this channel, and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. Because lots of people want to know how the real condition at the moment in Bali. And also don't forget to hit the bell, because I always update the condition and situation in around Bali during the pandemic Corona 2021. Actually today we are in lockdown. We start lockdown in Bali start from 3 of July until 2 of August. It's like 1 month lockdown for Bali. So you see on the road, there is not so many cars and not so many motorbike. It's very quiet. Usually on this road, always busy. And they are usually driving very fast around here because this is highway in Bali. And in this area, usually just for local business. So there is a lot of shop for local business, not for tourism. You see, left side and right side still look empty, isn't it? Not so many buildings up there. Okay, there is at the front traffic light. So I think we will stop a few minutes until the green light. Oh, got lucky. Now I'll continue driving and make video. Actually, before the pandemic corona, in this area, load the car, they drive in fast and always busy. Starting from here, there is a lot of tourism business here. There is a lot of shop and some little factory. They make handicraft or furniture and they export to the country. This means like this area for wholesale area, not for retail. But also in this area, there is a lot of big office. They work for tourism as travel business. And now we are in around 10 minutes to the Kuta area. Okay, this is another traffic light. So I think I have to stop here. See at the front, if I turn left, there is the toll road in Bali on the ocean. But today, I just gonna continue driving on bypass Ngurah Rai Street. Okay, green light now, so I continue driving. Still look very quiet, isn't it? I'm so sorry because the quality of this camera is not really good and I don't use any stabilizer when I make this video. I think there is a lot of people missing this route. Maybe someone already been here, because this is the access to make a long trip in Bali, because it's like highway. If you are staying in Kuta before, or Nusa Dua before, or Jimbaran, and if you want to make a long trip to Ubud or to Nusa Penida, and if you want to go to Lombok, so this is the highway to easier to go to that place. But you see, today is very quiet because no tourism coming to Bali yet. Also because this is emergency lockdown for Bali. Okay, so far there is no building very high, isn't it? Maybe you think, why in Bali there is not building very high? The answer is because in Bali we cannot make building higher than the temple century. So the building just look like flat in Bali. If I turn left at the front, there is the mangrove in Bali. Yeah, we have the mangrove area. It's very beautiful to visit to actually. You see the right side, left side, there is some hotel and also big shopping mall. They have hypermart. This area look busy, isn't it? Because this area we are nearby Kuta area. You see, right side, there is big statue there. We call Dewa Ruchi. It's very beautiful statue there. You see the left side, there is Matahari Galleria, and also we have duty free. If we are turned right at the front, there is the way to go to Kuta. But we continue driving to the south of Bali because we will drive in until to Denpasar Airport. In this area, there is a lot of hotel and souvenir shop in Bali. And then you can see on the left side there is like a souvenir shop in Bali. The biggest one we call Krishna. Yeah, but still looks so quiet. Rapid antigen left side. Drive through. This kind of new business in Bali during the pandemic corona actually. Another rapid antigen left side. There is everywhere now in Bali. You see on the road, it's very quiet, isn't it? Not so many cars. Actually, if I continue driving on this road, we will reach Nusa Dua. There is a lot of shop left side and right side. and also office and spa. Unbelievable, it's so quiet. Usually in this area always traffic before the pandemic corona. Okay, if I drive in the right side and there is underpass way to go to Nusa Dua. You see at the front right side, there is go to Nusa Dua. But I take the left side road because I will go to the Denpasar Airport to explore how busy the traffic to go to the Denpasar Airport. You see left side, there is the gate in to go to the toll road on the ocean left side. But we continue driving until to Denpasar Airport. Okay, actually the left side there is airport already, and there is the cargo from the airport. So we are nearby the airport now. If we are to right at the front, that is the way to go to Kuta area. You see at the front there is a lot more motorbike parking. Some people doing vaccine in Bali. This street we call Gusti Ngurah Rai, the main road to go to the airport. But today we look together, it's not so many people, not so many cars, not so many motorbike, just look like very empty. So it's mean in the airport not so much activity now. It's very quiet, isn't it? Okay guys, so this is the condition at the moment. The situation from Sanur until to Denpasar Airport. Look very quiet. Okay guys, if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment and share this video. And also don't forget to hit the bell, because I will always update the new situation in Bali during the pandemic corona and lockdown for Bali. You see at the front, that bus is public transportation in Bali. Okay guys, we will reach the airport very soonly. And you see the front, that is the gate in to go to the airport. Thank you for watching my video and see you in the next video. Bye bye.